a business owner and an actress who went through multiple failures before, I finally got into a successful venture. Mahirap talaga mag-business. Kailangan hands-on ka. Kailangan alam mo mag-manage ng finances, tsaka na rin ng employees. Imagine, naka-6 failed businesses muna ako bago ko nakita talaga ang path for me. I got a chance to share an opportunity for those people who's looking for a job. As an actress, busy din ako minsan. Kaya sobrang importante sa akin ang magkaroon ng responsible employees. Kaya binibigyan ko sila ng right treatment, benefits, and salary. Yung mga pagtatrabaho sa akin kasi I believe that they are one of the keys that will make my business stronger and longer. Kaya speaking of employees, may nakita akong bagong ad sa social media. Yung main context na tumatak for me is yung Find Job, Talk to Boss. Job hiring platform pala siya called Boss Job. Tingnan nyo rin tong video na to.
Find job! Talk to boss! Find job! Talk to boss! Ang boss job! Trabaho! Promotion! Magandang sahod! At benepisyo! Trabaho! Promotion! Magandang sahod! At benepisyo! Trabaho! Chat to boss! Ang boss job!
Find job, talk to boss.
Promotion, magandang sahod, benepisyo. Sobrang na-impress talaga ako kasi sobrang dami ang underpaid, overworked, at unemployed dito sa Pinas. Find job, talk to boss.